Aloha my lovely songbirds, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cree and you're watching my budget journey.
Well, there it is.
In these videos, I document my road to becoming debt-free using the cash envelope system while living on a low-income budget in Hawaii. So I think a couple videos back I mentioned that this month is my birthday. It's on the 25th and I decided to splurge a little on Etsy and support some small businesses. So today's video we're gonna be opening some Happy Mail. Yes sir. I bought a lot of things, but one of the main things that I really wanted to do was upgrade my envelopes. I know all of you guys love my permanent marker envelopes so much, but they really irritate me, so I decided to upgrade a little bit and get me a little something and treat myself. Oh. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna unbox those, but before I do that, I just wanted to give a shout out to Budgets by Jada. I recently won her 100 subscriber giveaway and I'm just so stoked for her and her success on her channel. And I think right now she like surpassed 500, so she's doing another giveaway. So shout out to her. If you don't follow her, you better. But thank you so much, Jada. The $25 DoorDash gift card, it was well spent, girl. So thank you. And then I think the last giveaway that I won was Davina C. I won her giveaway, and for her prize she was giving away savings challenge envelopes. So I haven't gotten them yet, but I'm super stoked for them to come in because they're gonna be going in my savings challenge binder, so I'm really stoked. So yeah, once those come in, it'll be a great addition to what I got going on here. So thank you, Davina, Jada, I really appreciate you guys. But yeah, so that was that, and now without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. So the first person that I bought from was Sam's Crafts and Customs. I just love all of her items on her Etsy shop. I wanted to buy her envelopes for so long. So yeah, let's go look. Let's look at them. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty!
Ooh, this is nice, girl.
Oh my gosh, look. Oh. Sorry, I made my dog a little excited there. But yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, let's try and open this. Oh, thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, you're welcome, Sam. This is beautiful packaging. Let me try. Oh, dang it. Well, I don't know. I'm sorry. I ruined the sticker. Dang it. Okay, I was trying to open this nicely, but that's just not gonna happen, so. That's that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, wait, before I do that. Ooh. My savings challenge envelope came in. Like I mentioned in my first savings challenge video, I was waiting for this one to come in so that I could use it to hold one of the monthly challenges that I'm doing. So yeah, look how beautiful it is. Rose gold. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. Okay, now let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it has all her social media handles, Sam's Crafts and Customs. So awesome. Oh, you can use this code for 10% off your next purchase. Okay, girl. Thank you. Oh, she left me a note. It says, Cree, aloha and mahalo for placing an order and showing my small shop some love. Your order truly made my day, and I hope you like all of your new envelopes. I'd love to make you more in the future. Happy budgeting and saving. XO Sam. Oh, thank you so much, Sam. I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. Wait, I got free stuff in here? What the heck? Oh my gosh. I got my first $1,000 placeholder. Okay. Thank you, Sam. Are there more things in here? Oh my god! Oh, she gave me a free cash breakdown. Oh, I need this. I need this. Okay. That's so awesome. Oh, and this is a cute little sticker. Leaves are falling, autumn is calling. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my envelopes. So I got one for annual pay. So that's like my yearly stuff that I have to pay for, like Costco and stuff like that. That's that. I have one for birthdays. One for vacay. I'm really hoping to stuff this soon, but we'll see.
Well, good luck with that.
Events. I got one for home, one for household. Wow. One for medical, one for move, one for Roro, and Roro is my nephew Ronan that's gonna be born in November. So this is his envelope. One for Sepha, my son, and one for self-care, because you know we all need this envelope in our life.
I know that's right. Bye.
Okay, but yeah, that's it. That's what I bought from Sam, and I absolutely love it. I think I am going to change them out right now. Yep, and we're gonna do it together. So let's do it. Oh, so cute. Last but not least, I bought more envelopes. I just really like the design of them. So I wanted each binder to have its own personality. And so I decided to get another stack of envelopes from WelixDesigns. And here they are. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. This says, thank you so much for your order. These were handmade just for you. Please leave a review if you can find some time. Happy budgeting, WelixDesigns. Okay, so let's open this. Let's see what we got here. Oh, shoot. Horrible with these nails. Okay. There you go. Okay. Oh, look how cute. Okay, so these are for my high priority binder. So I have one for debt, one for education, one for emergency fund, one for IVF, one for Little Red, one for new whip, one for savings, and one for wedding. And then the back has the trackers on them. And they're laminated, so when I run out of room, I can just erase them and then start again.
What I'm talking about.
And then we're gonna exchange them out. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like now. So much more cleaner. I'm really stoked.
So stoked. Like, I don't even, like, winter's here. You know, this is the first time we've been up. I'm stoked. You stoked?
I'm stoked.
Just
I'm stoked.
so stoked.
I know that my trackers are empty right now, but I'm gonna fill them out after this video. But yeah, I'm super happy. So that was that. And that was my Happy Mail unboxing video for now. I have a couple more orders coming in. Actually, I kind of have a lot of orders coming in.
Do you, boo-boo? Do you, boo-boo?
So we're gonna have a lot more Happy Mail videos this month. But hey, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Mahalo for watching again. This concludes my Happy Mail video. If you like this video, click the little like button below. And if you want to continue following me on my debt-free journey, feel free to subscribe. Again, mahalo for watching. Mahalo for your continuous support. And until next time, ahui ho and aloha.